So I had these blades sent to me to try out, and these are what most people would refer to as gator blades. Gator blades are John Deere term. This is an aftermarket, and the way these work is it spins like this. This is the leading edge. The trailing edge is here. So what this does is as it's spinning, it cuts the grass or the leaves or whatever, and then these fins right here. And what it does is it lifts the material up, and then as this is turning like this, it shreds it. So with those little fins on the gator blade, it shreds it more and more and more, so you get smaller pieces, which is actually great for leaves because it makes the particles a lot smaller, and then you can put more material in your cart. So spins, lifts it, and as it's lifted up inside the dome of the deck, it's still spinning and shreds it even more. So these gator blades seem to work pretty well for bagging. So when you look at these blades, you can see these are bagging blades. So here's your leading edge and then your trailing edge. So as this spins, it's sending the grass up. I know some people put these on backwards and end up, people might put them on like this or something. And what's going to happen is you're going to have the wrong edge hit first to start with. While you're under here is a good time to get rid of any bale and twine or anything else that went around the bearings. I wish I had $1 for every time somebody told me they put their blades on upside down. They will cut like absolute garbage. And then you got to do this all over again, especially if you don't have an electrical lift like I do. Then you have to jack it up and crawl under. And if you don't have power tools, everything just makes your job that much more unexciting. So I just put a little bit of this Never Seize on there, and you're still going to use your impact gun and tighten those up, but this is just anti-seize lubricant. All right, so take the first one. We'll hold it up there, make sure we're going to put it on right. And these are for this tractor. So this looks like it's going to clear. There's not a lot of clearance right here between the power flow. It's really tight tolerances, maybe 1/4 of an inch, and that's basically all you got around the outside too. There's not a lot of space, and you don't really want a lot of space, to be honest with you, but you also don't want to tear a hole in the deck while you're working on it. So even still, with all the precautions you kind of still want to make sure your body is as far away from being underneath as possible. So we've tested the blades on grass, leaves, combination of grass and leaves. I found that it actually does do the best of both worlds. So it does suck up leaves, it does suck up grass, it doesn't really leave a lot behind. Ideally these are mulch blades, meaning you don't want to put a bagger on it, but it seems like it actually works pretty well with a bagger. So I think this is my new bagging blade set, because what I like about it is the collecting cart holds 19 bushels, and with regular bagging blades you don't really get a lot of shredding and mulching of the leaves, so it tends to fill up really quickly. However, with these gator blades on there, it lifts it up, keeps it suspended, chops it a bunch of times and then blows it out. So now you've basically got the equivalent of what I would say like a DR or something like that, where it actually is just a shredder bagger. So now I can get that 19 cubic foot volume actually more dense because I can get more pieces in there as they're shredded. So I actually think this is a pretty good set of blades. I'm pretty happy to use them, and I'm going to put the link to these blades down below so you can go ahead and see where I got them from. So full disclosure, I got the blades for free to try. However, I wasn't obligated to make an opinion one way or the other. I based my opinions 100% on the results that I found. So I think they're a good blade. I think they're equivalent to the John Deere Gator blades themselves. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you next time.